This website is just badass. I discovered it by complete chance, and I think this is the most relevant for B2C marketers specifically. So if you're in e-commerce, or if you, I don't know, have a physical product, I think this is amazing, but also every industry can get inspired from this collection. It's a website that has over or around 1,200 curated stories, Instagram stories, across 26 collections. So you can click into one of these, I believe. Here, view, and then here are the categories. You can choose one of the categories, let's say 3D, and then you can watch the story. And I think this is the coolest thing ever. Just look at this, it's so creative. This might also be relevant for story ads as well. For example, this one looks a bit like an ad, so maybe it is. All birds ads. Let's say apps. Let's try apps. I haven't seen the apps one yet. Really nice. Bumble. Yeah, get inspired. I think this is an amazing resource. It's incredible that it exists. But yeah, just really cool. I hope you enjoy browsing through it as much as I do. So yeah, hope this helps, and keep on trying new tools and platforms, and I hope this helps. Bye bye.